Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about running the disk defragmentation utility that's built into Windows XP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I want to point out, if you're running this, make sure it's on a hard disk drive and not a solid state drive. You should not have to defrag SSDs, or it's definitely not advisable. So just want to put that out there. We're definitely not in 2010 anymore. So you just might want to consider that, especially if it's an SSD. Do not defragment Windows XP. Anyway, go into the Start menu and select All Programs, select Accessories, and then select System Tools. Go down and select Disk Defragmenter. And at this point, go ahead and defragment. You can analyze it first and then defragment. So you can see it doesn't need to defragment for this volume, but you can go ahead and defrag anyway. Again, like I said, I would not recommend doing that on a solid state drive, which I have in my case. It appears that it cannot recognize the difference, so just keep that in mind. But pretty straightforward process, just would select the defragment and it would just run it from there. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.